Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to integrate business application for loan in Wix. So for this, I am on Wix editor, and here on the top we have add element option. Click on it, and from here go to contact and forms, and from here click on contact. And these are the templates that you can customize. So for contact form, we have 4 forms. So I will go with this one here. Okay, so now the form is here. You can customize it according to your need, like the first name, last name, email, phone number, and here add a necessary thing, which is the picture of their ID card, front and back, and then they can submit it. So in this way, you can add loan form in your Wix website. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.